I am not an IRS professional, but I have successfully opened a bank account for my business, which is me. And I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. It's 2025 and you're ready to start your business. Good, it's that year. So the first thing we're going to do is get registered with the state. And then we're going to register with the government, which means we're going to have corporation structure and we're going to have our EIN number. And ultimately, with both of those, we're going to be able to open up a business bank account and even get started with our business credit. Go! Let's get started. This is going to take roughly around 30 minutes for you to fill out. It'll only take about 5 minutes for me to explain, but we're going to do this together step by step. So let's get started. First, you're going to go to your division of corporations. Mine's Sunbiz. And if you're local to Florida, yours is Sunbiz too. Then you're going to search your business name. To do that, you're going to go all the way down here, press this button, go up here, and search. Did you find your business name? If you found your business name, you got to change it. Someone beat you to it. But if you didn't get any results, that means you got yourself a winner. Now you're going to go to Start a Business right up here. And you're going to scroll all the way down until you get to e-file. We're going to press LLC, and then we're going to press the blue file button. Then you're going to press file articles. All of this right here, all you. Here's a tip. List of employees. Sometimes it automates all of the roles with your address. If you see that, clear it. If your company only has one employee, then the default is AMBR. When you get to the registered agent part, you're the registered agent. Then you're going to press continue and you're going to review the filing information. It's going to charge you roughly about $125 to $160. Screenshot the confirmation number. Congratulations! Now you have registered with the state. Next part, go to the IRS.gov. Then you're going to select apply for EIN number. You're going to select your structure. We already did that. It's an LLC. And then you're going to select the number of employees you have. Now, you're going to authenticate your personal information, including the legal name of your business that we registered in Sunbiz. And then you're going to reach a part that says, tell us about your business. Here are 2 tips. Number 1, your personal car does not count as a business vehicle. I'm not a professional. If you do not believe with certainty that you're going to have an employee within the next 12 months, I would simplify things and press no, you will not have an additional employee. You're going to choose a business service. Mine is personal branding. I chose other. Make sure there are no commas if you do choose other. Then you are going to receive your EIN number. Screenshot it. Let 24 hours pass and you'll be able to go to your local credit union or national bank and open up your business bank account. And you might even be able to open up your business credit account as well. I want to see you win 2025. Give this video a like and comment down below your business name and your service. And look around through the other comments and find out who else is starting their business 2025. And please support each other. We're doing this together. If you're looking forward to more content like this one, I will be updating the information that I know through my personal experience as soon as I get to it. So please subscribe and keep a lookout. Press the notification button and help us sister out. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next level.